Off the coast of a Greek island named Antikythera, a treasure lay hidden beneath the waves for 2 millennia. In 1900, sponge divers stumbled upon a shipwreck. It dated back to the 1st century BC. Among the usual artifacts, they found something extraordinary. It was a lump of corroded bronze. This was no ordinary artifact. This was the Antikythera Mechanism. At first glance, it seemed like a jumble of gears and plates, but closer inspection revealed something astonishing. This was a device of remarkable complexity. It had been carefully crafted with precision. Who could have built such a thing in ancient times? The Antikythera Mechanism challenged everything we thought we knew about the past. It whispered of a forgotten knowledge. This ancient device was no ordinary relic. It was a window into a lost world of ingenuity. The Antikythera Mechanism would rewrite history. It would force us to reconsider the technological prowess of our ancestors. Imagine holding the universe in your hands. That's what the Antikythera Mechanism must have felt like to the ancients. It was a marvel of engineering. The device was a complex system of interlocking bronze gears. These gears were housed within a wooden frame. Inscriptions adorned its surface. Each gear was painstakingly cut with teeth of different sizes. They interacted with each other in a delicate dance. Turning a crank set the mechanism in motion. It was like a clockwork universe. Pointers moved across dials. They traced the movements of celestial bodies. The precision of the gears was astounding. It spoke to a deep understanding of mathematics and astronomy. The Antikythera Mechanism was not simply a tool. It was a work of art. It was a testament to the human desire to understand our place in the cosmos. The Antikythera Mechanism was more than just a beautiful object. It was a sophisticated astronomical calculator. Think of it as an ancient Greek computer. It predicted the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. It even accounted for the irregular orbit of the moon. The device tracked the cycles of the cosmos. It predicted eclipses with remarkable accuracy. It followed the 4-year cycle of the Olympic Games. The Antikythera Mechanism was a window into the ancient mind. It revealed a civilization obsessed with the heavens. This was a time when astronomy and astrology were intertwined. The ability to predict celestial events was a form of power. It gave its possessor an aura of divine knowledge. The Antikythera Mechanism was likely a prized possession. It was a tool for both understanding and awe. The identity of the Antikythera Mechanism's creator remains a mystery. Some scholars believe it was the work of Archimedes. He was a renowned mathematician and inventor from ancient Greece. Others suggest it originated in the school of the astronomer Hipparchus. Regardless of who built it, one thing is clear. The Antikythera Mechanism demonstrates the advanced technological capabilities of the ancient Greeks. It challenges our assumptions about the past. It makes us wonder what other secrets lie hidden beneath the sands of time. The Antikythera Mechanism is a reminder that the past is full of wonders yet to be discovered. It is a call to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The universe is full of mysteries waiting for us to unlock them.